Hello, I'm Liam, and here's a bit to help get you started with the building and basic debugging features in our new MPLAB extensions for VS Code. If you've got a new or imported project, you can perform a full build easily by clicking on this hammer icon on the top right. Another option is you can open the command palette and select from a few different build options. Here we can see build, clean build, full build, a few other commands. And when it comes to debugging, you can start debugging right away without the need for a configuration file. Simply press F5 on your keyboard, and you can also click on this View tab on the left with this Run button icon and start the debugging session from there by clicking Run and Debug. From this view, you can also quickly create a launch.json file, assuming you don't already have one, if you want to configure your debug options a little bit. Either way, you'll start your session. You'll be prompted up in the command palette to select the debugging tool, and then it will go ahead and start. Now you know what you need to get started with building and debugging in VS Code thanks to our MPLAB extensions. Stay tuned for more videos on MPLAB extensions, and thanks for watching.